You guys, there's this app called AC Market. It hacks Subway Surfers for you. Well, you have to go to your settings, and then like you have to click on unknown resources. Go on Google, search up AC Market, click the first website, whatever it is, and then you have to say download app. You have to press download app. Then it might go to your settings if you haven't already clicked unknown resources and security on settings. So, look, let me die real quick. Oh my god, I really have to die. Then you click the save me. It doesn't affect it at all. Look at my keys. Look at my keys. Look at the number. And then you use it again. The last number was 8. Now it's still 8. Like, it just gives you a limited keys and coins. It gives you every character already, but you're gonna have to do something at first. You're gonna have to go to, oh my god. It gives you everybody, but you're gonna have to buy these two, like all these other outfits right here. But it doesn't affect your keys or your coins. So that's good enough, right? You also have to buy these on the boards. So that's my 30-minute video for today. Bye.